Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to quickly and easily stabilize footage in DaVinci Resolve. So I've got a clip here that I want to work with. Let's say you shot using your hands and on a phone, chances are you're going to get your footage is going to be a little bit shaky. So let's watch it through real quick. So it's already pretty decent, but we can see a little bit of camera shake, which is a problem if you don't have a tripod or a stabilizer. The easiest and quickest way to fix this is to go onto the video tab in the inspector menu, scroll down a little, and we can see stabilization. There are a bunch of settings here that we can use to fine tune, but let's just click stabilize for now. It's going to analyze the video and make some corrections. Now let's watch it through again. There we go. It's a lot smoother, a lot less shaky now, but I think we can still make it better. What I like to do is I like to check this box right here, camera lock, and click stabilize again. And let's see how that looks. There we go. That looks a lot better. It's almost as if the footage was shot on a tripod. That's how stable it is now. And that's how to quickly and easily stabilize footage in DaVinci Resolve.